Check it out. You all want to see the weirdest shoe that I have in my collection? One that I just got, I want to say like maybe last week. These Crocs Salehe Bembury. All right. Now, these are ones that I saw. I was like, man, those look kind of weird, but I also thought they looked kind of cool. All right. And these are the Crocs Salehe Bembury Juniper. All right. And I got these in a size 13. All right. Yes, I am in my closet. I am in my closet. As you can see, this is my closet. But I wanted to bring you all these real quick in this kind of format. All right. So let me bring it out. Left shoe. Oh, first, baby. All right. So this is, let me put the box down. This is the Crocs Juniper. All right. Now, if you all are familiar with the Salehe Bembury Crocs slides, then you'll know that this is where this draws inspiration from that. Let me grab a pair of those. So here is the regular Croc slide, that the typical Crocs, all right? So this is the Salehe Bembury Croc slider, right? The regular ones, all right? And then this is like the full sneaker. But you can see the inspiration from this here, all right? This is his signature, all right? It's like a thumbprint on the bottom of the shoe. But they made it into an actual sneaker. All right, let me take the paper out of this one. And then here you can see the insole of the shoe. And it's very comfortable. I have tried these on, very comfortable. Thank goodness that I went with a size 13 instead of a 14, because these would be huge in a 14. So if you're somebody that's kind of in between sizes like I am, say I'm like a true 13 and a half in most shoes, I would recommend going the lower route instead of going up. So for me, instead of going to a 14, I went to a 13, and I think these fit perfect. All right, they're very comfortable in that size. But if you like the comfort of Crocs, then what this inside is pretty much that. This insole is pretty much just that. But I like that they made it into a sneaker. And I know a lot of people are probably going to see these and be like, yo, what the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? But I think these are pretty fly, man. And they're going to be something that's comfortable that I can wear with pretty much anything. The original colorway of these, I want to say it was like a green on the bottom where this yellowish tan color is, and then like a purple on top. And I thought those were kind of funky looking. I was like, there's nothing that I have in my collection that I could wear, like outfit wise. There's nothing that I could wear with those. But I feel like these, and this is just the size tag, you know what I'm saying? This comes off. So with these, I feel like you can wear pretty much black and white with anything. So these are all white with the kind of the cream golden kind of outsole. I can wear this comfortably pretty much with anything, and it's not going to be bad. All right, so I just wanted to bring these to you. I know this isn't the typical format for my sneaker reviews, but I wanted to bring these to you and show you this shoe because I think these are kind of cool. So let me know if you all have seen these Crocs Juniper by Salehe Bembury. What you think of these? Do you think these are hot garbage and you're questioning your subscription to my channel right now? If you are, I understand, but I thought these were kind of cool. And look at the signature there on the back. I don't know if I showed that, but yeah, man, I think these are cool. Pull tab on the back here. The tongue is nice and soft. You got your Juniper logo there. Nice breathability. in the back, so there are, you know, a little bit of holes there in the back. I don't think you want to put any like giblets or anything in these. These are a sneaker. This is a sneaker. This is a full Croc shoe. All right. So let me know what you all think of these. And that's gonna do it for this one. Peace.